Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. We are doing many searches on Google randomly. Sometimes we search Google, sometimes we search anything other, sometimes we search something more. But today we are talking about how can you easily delete or remove or clear all your search history from Google. So this is a very short tutorial and informative one. First of all, I request all of you to subscribe, hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks and secret hacks. If you are interested to delete all your searches on from Google, come here and choose the Google app. Then go top right corner your profile, click on that. Here you can see if you want to delete just last 15 minutes history, you can simply click on that one and your 15-minute history will be deleted in a moment. But if you want to delete all your history lifetime, then how can? Click on the right top corner your profile, then come to search history, click here delete button and choose delete today, delete custom range and delete all the time. I think if you want to all the time, then click all the time and click on the next. Once you do that, your all data will be deleted from Google all the time. So this is the simple. I hope it's helped you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye. Best of luck.